or you're producing something that has a product, and the output from your place is harming the next door neighbor, or is harming the environment, or is harming the consumer, you are not environmentally responsible. I hope you're following. The social responsibility is about job creation, about gender equality. If you are doing entrepreneurship, please be sensitive to engage, because you're going to work with people. Only you cannot do everything. You can start alone, fine, but over time you're supposed to do what? Engage people. And then at that time we say that you manage both man and resources. Is that okay? So in managing man and resources, the kind of man you recruit is not going to be only males. When we talk about man, we are talking about humans, human beings. Please be gender what? Sensitive. You employ females, you employ the